Hey everybody, welcome back to what number is this? I don't know. And today we're going to talk about linking multiple files and how to do so. So let's say we have a bunch of functions. Remember when we learned functions? And we have a bunch of functions down here, and we don't like the look of it because it looks so cluttered. What you can do is you can actually put these functions in a separate file and run them in your main file, and you don't have to look at them, really. Doesn't look nearly as cluttered, and you can name the files whatever you want. So if you have a specific function, you can name the file after that, and it'll be easier to find instead of going through all these functions down here and looking for one in particular. So how do we link separate functions? Well, we need two files, actually. We need what's called a header file and just a regular CPP file, like main CPP. So let's make the header file. We go to empty file up here on code blocks. Yes. And then we name it whatever we want. So we're going to name it hello.hpp. Hit OK. All that's fine. And then we're going to hash if n def, this one right here, and name it whatever we want. So I'm just going to put in capital letters hello underscore hpp. But like I said, you can put whatever you want. And once I hit enter, this automatically pops up, which is cool. And all of our code is going to go in between these two things. It's going to go in between this, so we'll make this a little bigger. And we also need to hash define and the same thing. Hello, whatever we named it before. Okay, so this is our header file, and I want to make a function that is going to read out to the user hello. That's all it's going to do. So I am going to declare it in the header file. I'm not going to actually write the function. I'm just going to say to the compiler, you know, this function is available. Go find it in hello.cpp, which we will make here in a second. So I'm going to say void hello. It's not going to take any parameters. Oh, what am I doing? I just explained how we're not doing that. There we go. And that's it. We're just declaring it. So now we're going to make a separate file. This one's going to be hello.cpp. And we're doing the exact same thing. We're going to hash if and def. If and def. Hello CPP. And hash define. Okay, and now we can take the hello function and define it here. And we're going to say cout hello. That's all the function's going to do, just for simplicity. And because we're inputting out, we have to hash include, or not inputting out, that doesn't make any sense. We're outputting, what is going on? IOStream. We need to hash include IOStream, right, because we're couting to the user. And because cout and nline are both in the standard library, we have to do using namespace standard, right, just as we would in the main. Okay, so we declared it here. We wrote the actual definition in the CPP, and now we have to link these two together. So what we're going to do is hash include the HPP in the CPP. So hash include hello, there we go. And notice how I put it in quotes and not the angle brackets for the file name. Okay, remember to do that. So now these two are linked. And now we need to link this to the main function. So now we hash include hello.hpp. So hello.hpp is going into both of these files. These two are linked now, and these two are now linked. Okay, so now we can go ahead and run the hello function. See how it already popped up? It's a good sign. Okay, for some reason I had a different source file in this, so I deleted that out of here. And now we're good to go. Go ahead and build it. It's all good. We hit run, and it says hello. So now you see that we linked the main file to hello HPP, which in turn made the compiler look for hello.cpp. Could be a little confusing, but just remember both HPP and CPP are needed. Okay, and that's basically it. Pretty easy to do, and we can go ahead and make other files if we wanted to for maybe a different set of functions. Mind you, you can have more than one function per file. It doesn't have to be limited to one. So maybe we'll make like hi.hpp, and then we make a hi.cpp, do the same thing with different functions, and include them into the main. So very simple, very convenient, and now it's easier to traverse through your code. Because if you're looking for a specific function, let's say, oh, where would my hello function be? And you look at your files and you say, oh, it's probably in hello, these two, .cpp and HPP. So it makes it easier and more organized. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.